seems that the bigger one isn't going to work right off the bat like I wanted it to. So, I'll get it out of here. We're just going to get another drill bit, a smaller one, and we'll gradually go up. Welcome to the neighborhood. We got the pilot hole drilled. Let's see if we can step it up from there. Alright, well, I got my pilot hole drilled. I know it's not big enough, but I'll end up cutting it out later bigger. Here's the piece that I was referring to, I picked up today. It's actually not too bad. It's all black pipe, so it's all good. And I got it for free from the scrapyard. They just gave it to me. So, can't go wrong there. That's going to sit like this. I'll put a collar on here. This is going to sit in, and I'm going to make this a little bit longer. Probably get an adapter, go smaller, and it'll probably sit up probably right about here. And then the air intake here, I'll drill here into here to get the gas inlet, and we'll go straight into that pipe, and we'll bring it down probably well, just beyond this, the collar there, and that way when the air comes in, it's from behind the gas line, not in front of it or anything. So seen too many videos where people have had that issue. But anyway, so there's the start of our gas forge. I was originally gonna try and tie it, put some extra feet on the back. I don't know if I still want to or not. I may put something just for stability, just so it doesn't, tip like it is now. But the front feet actually lay it flat, so that's good. I'll just add some feet on the back, see if I can get a friend of mine to do some welding for me. In the meantime, however, let me see if I can get this in here. We're going to put this in here. One of the bad parts about working outside, some of the stuff stays outside all the time. I have to figure out a way to cover some of this stuff. But then I'll drill right into this. In fact, let me set that right about there. Then we're going to drill into that. Now I'm not exactly sure how big to make that. So I'm going to start small, and I can always make it bigger if I have to. Because you can seal up the excess, but you just can't make that hole smaller. Straight down. Gotta love it. Yep, right dead in the middle. So anyway, I can and I can make that bigger if I have to. It's really not that difficult. As a matter of fact, I can see that that's going to be too small as it is. But again, I can make that bigger. So that'll be my exhaust down here, my inlet down here, and we'll put the the hairdryer here, and have it blow and when it comes out. Hopefully that'll work rather well. I don't know exactly how this is going to work, but we'll see. Who knows? I got to do some more homework and see what we can figure out. But hopefully it'll, with this particular method, I'll be able to use less propane to make this work. Then I can do some work in the wintertime. Hopefully I can, next check or so, before it snows, I can get a canopy up and get some plastic around it. At least get a sealed workspace anyway. So with that, that's our videos for now. I'm Marty for Steel Ace Forge, and remember, keep on forging.